over here, like by clicking new table, then you select the location, then you put the table name. Let's say this is normal, so the table name over here is normal, and then you submit this. It will also save the table and then call it normal and then load it for you. Now when you check, your table normal exists. When you come to your Venta POS and you refresh, you notice it will sync the normal table with the QR code. So this is how table management work. First you create a table. So if you have like 10 tables in your shop, you have to create each table for them, and then the subsequent videos, just in this same trail, you will understand why tables are necessary. Okay, now a customer comes to your shop and then there are tables. The customer sits and then they want to make order. There's no need for the customer to actually ask you for a menu. That is where this table management linking to your menu comes in. Now if you check all the products you have in Venta Hub, let me just show you an example. If I come to my menu, when you click on my menu, these are the products I have in Venta Hub. Okay, if you also come to the POS and then you go to like products, you notice that in inventory products, these are the products we have. Okay, now one thing you need to do is everything is linked to your tenancy, your space in the cloud. So when you scan a QR code on a table, an example, let me just show you a table QR code. When you scan like any of these QR code on your table, what happens is that it takes the person who scanned it to your tenancy and then opens your menu for them to actually add things to cart and then open a menu and order. And I'll show you how the transaction works. Okay, now I'll have to shoot one QR code on my device, and then I will use it as an example for you. So we are going to make an order on the VVIP table, and then I will just open the image in a new tab on my PC because I'll be scanning the code from there. Then when I'm practicing, you will see. So I've opened a QR code on my PC now. So let's say I'm a customer and I walk into your store. I see your table. I click like where's the QR code scanner? This it triggers my camera. I notice this is looking for a QR code scanner. Now when I scan this QR code, it scans and then takes me to your tenancy. So you notice that this is your order. And then if I make an order, this is table what? I think this is table 4. It will add this order. Let me just confirm the table number. So we are dealing with table number 5. I think VVIP. So any order I make over here will be linked to that table. So now, for example, let me add water to the cart. I see, and then I want one water, and I add it to the cart, and it says water has been added to cart. Now, if I click on my cart, it will display the items I have cart, and I'll click on place order. It will ask me enter your name, so I'll say my name is James. It will also say enter your phone number. I'll say okay 05463100011. Then I'll click OK. Then this will place my order. Now when it places my order, because we want to keep a live communication, it actually gives you the option to open this order directly with the customer. So let's say open, and then I will click WhatsApp. It will open WhatsApp and then automatically open the contact of this shop. But this shop unfortunately is not on WhatsApp, so it wouldn't open the WhatsApp slot. So that is how this works. Now if you refresh this page, you notice that it says table is occupied. Open order if it's yours. Kindly order from a different table or call then the company's number for assistance. Thank you. Now if you click open order, it will ask you for order reference. When you put the order reference, it will send you an SMS, and it will send you an OTP. When the OTP matches, then it will open the table for you to actually place the order. So now your order has been placed. Now let's see how this works in Venta POS. So I switch back to Venta POS. I refresh the tables, and you notice that now VVIP is marked as occupied, right? We can't make order on it, so that is okay. So now let's go to our orders.